So I bought something. Which is this box. It has a lid that you can clap, and I bought some big t-shirts because I'm becoming so fat that I need something over my normal things, which doesn't make me look so fat. And then some socks because they always disappear, you know that, in laundromats especially. So what I want to do is I want to get rid of this chaos I have here. So first of all, this is rubbish, and I have to cut off those tickets. I will put it over there so that I can do that later, and then I will put this blanket back. And for now I will put it here. And then this is, at the moment I have my period, so this is important at the moment. Normally it's back behind my seat. Then I need this every day, and this the whole summer, but normally it's in the door. I need my iPad every day. Normally it's in my bag, but when I'm working in the car, it's not in the bag. My MacBook. I just clap it now. I think the upload is done. Yes. There's my cable and the external hard drive. Yeah, I don't know where to put my things. I'll put it here for now. I will close that. I will put it over there so that I can put the camera here. Too many things for such a small... I know a car is not an apartment, but in this case it is, because I live in my car. Okay, I will close the MacBook. And those are the bottles. In Germany you will get money back when you give the bottles back. And okay, what to do next? Everything is sliding. Can you see that? No, you can't. Don't know how to fix that. It's all very annoying. Especially the heat. So can you see it now? You can't. Why? Why can't you see the things that are sliding? Now the camera is too hot. Okay, I tell you that those things are all sliding down, and I want them in the box. I want the bag over there. And now all these things I want to have in the box. I'll put it there for now. Those are all my notebooks and binders and calendars. It's so hot. And a bag, a pouch with pens. And I can't even grab the things, it's all too much. This will go in the back. The table, binder, and more binders. I have to open this knot. Calendar, a purse, and a book, and some pockets, another wallet, and the book. More pens, a binder, envelopes, and pouches, envelope, more and more and more. They are all trying to help me, but it's just not possible. I don't have enough time, and it's hard, and it's a lot, and it's too much. And that goes in the back. And now I will put the box here. And I will put the big things first. Now the smaller ones. Oh, falling, everything's falling. I think it's not enough space in the box. So I will put the big binder next to it. This here. I would like to throw it all away, but I fear I need it. I can throw away some things at least. Those are 3 of the books from the French school that I bought. I didn't get the other 3 ones. I will throw away the letters that the students wrote because I can't use the paper anymore. They wrote on it, and I can't send their letter to someone. Normally the school shouldn't have sent this to me. And now those are the angels. I will throw this bag away. Can't use it anymore. No, I have to put the pockets in the end. I mean, the wallets with the angels. This will be the last thing. Okay, all the notebooks. It's incredibly hot. More notebooks. I don't know where to put those bags. And journal from another book. Yeah, I have to put the small ones here and the bigger ones here. And now those two, my back is hurting. Okay, I can put it here. Okay, so this works. A French book. Okay. So the rest doesn't fit. So I will throw this away. And for the wallets and the angels, I will use this bag again where it was before that. Get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. Yeah, and I don't know where to put it. Maybe here, behind? Yeah, okay. And this, I can put it inside with the pens. I can put all the pens in the other pouch because those things don't belong together. Oh, this is for the board. They didn't send me the board back. Yeah. Those are for the board. And then a glue and yeah, that's okay. And this bag. And this pouch. Okay. That's better than before. It's not perfect, but it's better. And now, table maybe here. This is all food except this. This is my cosmetics bag. The MacBook. And now here. I will throw this away. And I will put those here inside. And those as well. This is rubbish. Okay. That's much better. What do you think? Oh, I'm so tired. And I'm dizzy. And I'm sweating. I'm so glad when summer is over. Have a good day. Bye bye.